I've got some of these roll-up blinds for the deck, and for this area we need a couple that were 1800 long, because that's the space in between each of these posts. So I've just put one up. Inside the package you get the blind, a couple of small brackets for locking it down when you actually pull the blind down. You get some longer ones for sticking out if you're going to have this out as an awning. And you get a bag of screws and plugs. Now I'm going to grab them tender, so I only need the screws, not all the plugs.
Firstly, remove the blind from the packaging. Loosen the cord slightly. Position your blind where you want it and mark the position of the centre hole on the top. I like to pre-drive the first screw so I'm not fiddling around with it while holding the blind. Holding the blind in position, drive in the first screw, but don't tighten it completely. Using a spirit level, check the top of the blind for level. With the blind level, drive in the screws at either end of the blind. Tighten the centre screw and check the blind for operation. Decide on the position for the cord tie-off hook and install it with the supply screws.